Hi, I'm Damian McGann, Head of Business Development for Santander in the UK. I'm responsible for businesses across our business, commercial and corporate customer segments. We're absolutely delighted to be working with EEF again this year as we look to find and celebrate some fantastic successes in manufacturing businesses. We've been working now for several years with EEF on these awards, and we've seen some incredibly great stories of innovation, growth and ambition. And those are really important factors that we look for in businesses. Indeed, they're really important to us at Santander as we look to grow our own business in the UK. We've got a firm committed strategy to become the bank of choice for SMEs in the UK, and part of that is working with manufacturing customers. Currently we're fortunate to work with 4.5% of the SMEs in the UK, and over the next few years we expect to grow that to no less than 15% with a combination of controlled organic growth, growing great relationships with our customers, and also completion of the acquisition of parts of the Royal Bank of Scotland group, which we acquired last year. And a big part of that, as I've said, is working with manufacturing businesses. And that's why, over the last few years, we've been working very closely with our customers in manufacturing and in the industry, and with organisations like the EEF, to understand absolutely what the needs are of those businesses in today's climate. As such, as a result, we commenced a manufacturing proposition 2 years ago, and we've had great success in working with businesses because that proposition is absolutely based upon what customer need in the segment, and we look to put sustainable banking solutions in place that cover the long term, not just the short term, and also encourage cross-border collaboration and trade. For me, there's a couple of specific benefits to businesses in participating within the awards. The major one, I guess, from a hard commercial perspective, is pretty apparent. Having great visibility of your own brand internationally is very positive, and we all want our brands to be perceived in a positive way. I think, however, working with quite a few companies over the years who've been involved in award ceremonies and who've been successful in awards, there's a few intangible benefits which I'd touch on. Many companies tell me that the boost their staff gets, not just the people who pick up the awards, from actually external recognition from reputable bodies, is incredibly powerful, and that pushes them on to greater things. In addition, businesses who don't win the awards, they come back year after year, they take the feedback from the extensive judging panel, and it makes their businesses sharper and their plans sharper, and many again have told me that a few years later, when they've won the awards, they put not just the award success, but actually the success of their business down to some of the feedback from many judges. And I know the calibre of the judges that EEF work with really helps support that view. For me, that's quite a concise and accurate reflection of what the business is trying to achieve. What we look for in a judging panel is a real clear articulation of a great idea and a robust plan to carry it through. My top tip would be to the board of directors who are looking to put these plans together: articulate your story in a very concise, positive way, and don't be shy about shouting the success of your fantastic business. The judges clearly have quite a lot of paperwork and a lot of businesses to look at, so it's just on that very initial impact what would make your business stand out.